Today, I'm gonna be recording chapter 11, the projects. Um, okay, build your own analytics. Figure out which elements are clicked in a page and record the IDs, tags, and class name. Create a main container within your HTML. Add four elements. Add four elements inside the main elements, having each a class of box and unique ID. So here's the container, and then these are four different boxes with the unique ID. And set up your JavaScript to code. Set up your JavaScript code to contain an array that you can use for tracking, adding details from each click into it. Select the main container element as a variable object, add an event listener to capture the clicks, and then create a function to handle the clicks, get your target element in an event, check if the element has an ID so you don't track clicks on the main container, set up an object to track the values, include the element's text context, ID, tag name, add a temporary object to your tracking array. So these are the four elements. This is just the style of the boxes. And then within here, you create an empty object and then another variable as a query selector to, and you look for the class container. And then within main, the event listener click and then tracker is the tracker function. And then the tracker function is within the element. You create a constant variable. So it's constant variable, and then e.target, call it the target, and then if your variable .id, which activated the click, and then call this temp to the temporary array, and then add content in, which equals the text content, temp.ids, this ID, so whatever the box I click on. And this is basically for every box. So tag name, it shows all of this, the tag name, the ID, the content, the class, and then console directory, counter, you push the temporary, so you push it into the console and console.counter, and then it should give you boxes. As you can see when you do this is all what you click here, and it should give you all the information of the box. Here's the function we're calling. The content is box 1, the ID is box 0, tag name, etc. etc. This is from the temporary array. The third box, fourth box. As you can see, it does that again and again. Okay, that's project 1. And project 2 is a star rating system. Create a star rating component that is fully interactive and dynamic using JavaScript. You can either follow HTML and CSS template for stars. So, yeah, this is the template. Okay, cool. Take the following steps. Select all the stars within the UL, which is the list, that have the class of stars, unordered list, into the object, and create another object for the output element. There it is. Thus you selected the class, create another object to contain the results of calling query selector ball. So here it is for class stars. And then loop through the resulting node list, adding the element object, the value of the index plus 1, adding an event listener for a click, attach the function called star rate to click event for each star element. So here, stars for each function, for each loop, star index of the parameters, here's the function, the value of the star value equals the index plus 1, which we set there, and here's the star rating plus 1 because it starts at 0, so one star can't be 0. And then here's another function in HTML. So this will write the text. So you call it. This will write the text related to 3 stars. And then for each, if index target star value, add orange, remove orange. This is the color. If you click here, it becomes orange. Remove the orange. Yeah, you rated this 2 stars. So that's project 2. Project 3. Let's see here. Open my server. Okay. Mouse tracker position. Track your mouse's X and Y position with an element. As soon as you move this mouse within the elements, the X position and Y position will update. Okay. Create a page element and add sizing to it. Here it is. And include the height and width. Create a class name. Active. The background color should be red. Finally, create an output element that will contain the text. Okay. Here's the active. Here's the holder. Select the main container element and add event listeners to it. Listen for mouse over, mouse out, and mouse move. Event listeners. This is to select the holder, which will be this one. And then it's a arrow function. The target process add active, add remove active, and you move out, and you move. Select the coordinates. After calling the function, here is the function that HTML equal x plus event claim is y. So these are the coordinates, and you get by add the output, which is here. And then because your y-axis is constantly updating. Then for part 4, the time, how long it takes this time. So, what is this? I'll objective here is to click on the red box as quickly as possible. Once it appears, the box will randomly be placed within the container and positioned with a random value. The box will have event listeners, box will have event listener that will track the start and click times to calculate the duration of the click event. You can use the following template as an HTML. To get a little context here, just add script to the HTML to make it interactive. And we use this styling on that over here. Project 4, right? So use this here. And then here's where it be shown. There are two developments with the clouds. So for the gameplay area and another with a class of message to provide instructions to the player. Select those main elements as objects. So here, output. Using JavaScript, create another element within the output channel. Create a div that will remain clickable attached to the start box as the div. So, using JavaScript, add message area instructions, press to start. So here's the concept. Code, and by text, take content, press to start. Excuse me. Create a global object called game. Here it is. To track the timer starts at 0. Create a function that will generate a random number and return the number value, with the argument being the maximum value you want to use. And then add an event listener. Once clicked, this should start the gameplay. Set display of the box element to none. Using the set timer method, invoke a function called addBox and set the timer to a random millisecond value. You can adjust as near as this will be the time between the click object that is shown and its disappearing. To start, if start has a value, then get the Unix time, using get time of the current objects, the function get time, subtract the game, start time from the current time in milliseconds, divide by 1000 to get the milliseconds, output the message, create a function for all this. So there's add event listeners to this function, L function, content, get that, display none, and then get time and set timer, and then it's a random number between 3 seconds. If not game start, it will be loading, else, so it will be loading, else, add a variable current, you take get time function, and then to get the duration is current minus the game start divided by 1000, which is milliseconds, and it takes this milliseconds. It will display that, and then function addBox, which is here. Click it, so you see the message display. I'll show you. Click it, there's the message display. This is how many seconds it took. Click it again. And then and then this is the way it displays randomly the box within the container. And then returns flow math random times max. So it can't go about this. So yeah, that's a triple delay.